Here are 5 meme coins to buy in May. May is now among us. It's currently May 1st, the time of filming this video, and we can see the meme coin rally is starting to slow down a bit, which actually set up for great opportunities to buy the dip. Now, before we start the video, I want to say welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look at 5 meme coins with crazy upside potential. But like always, this is not financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Now, guys, before we start the video, what is your top 5 meme picks for May? Let me know in the comment section below. Let's get the conversation going and the whole community involved. Let's go ahead and take a look at the list. So first of all, guys, overall crypto market kind of looking poopish today. We're down 2%. Bitcoin has lost the $60,000 mark, currently trading at $57,000, which is very bearish to say the least. I obviously imagine it's going to rebound, but again, people are worried. Ethereum lost its $3,000 mark as well, and then a lot of these massive altcoins are down as well. So BNB down 8% on the week, Solana down 9% on the week. We're seeing Dogecoin down 14%, right? So we are seeing a red across the board. Even in terms of fear and greed index, lost for words today. We can see we haven't seen it this low in a while, especially over the past 2-3 months. Even though Hong Kong has now gone to the Bitcoin ETF space, which we thought would be massive, even though Australia is launching their ETFs in 2024, what the heck is going on with meme coins? However, let's put the fear-mongering aside. Let's see what top 5 meme coins have crazy potential this month. Starting off with a gem that hasn't even been released yet. This is a pre-sale gem called Solana. You heard that right, a play on words of Solana. But we got Solana with a sea lion, and you can see it's kind of like that South Park style. Buy Solana before, or seal before it launch. 1 SOL equals 6,900 seal. They've currently raised over $128,000, so you're not going to want to miss out on this gem. You could buy now using the buy now tab or sending SOL to this address. Make sure it's from a decentralized wallet. About Solana, meet Solana, the chubby seal who's taken a deep dive into the Solana sea. Well at his PC and growing by the day, Solana is absorbed in the degen market, and he's abandoned the gorgeous figure of his youth for a trader's diet of chips and tinned tuna. His obsession with finding the next big Solana meme coin has his flippers busy and his living room a big fat mess. And then they have a how to buy tab, a little story. It's as simple as that. Again, this is a brand new token. I believe it launched very recently in the past couple of days or so. They're also on X as well with 9 followers, and if you're subscribed to this channel, you know we'll be taking a look at this project closely. So make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, and let's see how big this puppy you get. Again, there could be massive opportunity getting to pre-sale this early, so you might have found a gem. You may want to load up a bag. I'm gonna link it in the description below. The next coin on the list is a very popular meme coin, and that is Floki. Floki actually has some massive bullish news because it recently got listed on Revolut, the biggest neobank and retailer trading app in UK, or in Europe, I should say. And if you watch any of these European YouTubers, they're always talking about Revolut. It's a very popular banking company over there. This listing will make Floki accessible to Revolut's 40 million plus users in 150 plus countries, who will be able to buy Floki with 25 plus fiat currencies, including GBP, Euro, USD, and more. Users can now buy Floki directly from the Revolut app, which is pretty massive, pretty game-changing. That's pretty bullish news. It's not just this news that makes this project so interesting to buy into, but when we look at the past week, we're down 13%, right? And if we just saw 13% recovery, we're gonna make it easy 13%. And over the month, we're down a whopping 32%. And on the year, we're still up 400% because we made some massive gains. But again, there's still so much more this show can go to. If you go to all-time charts, we can see it previously pumped all the way up here. And again, this pump was pretty close, but we imagine, just like Bitcoin, to see a bigger all-time high than its previous all-time high. So this could be a great time to load in, a great position to enter. Now that we're talking about dog coins, let's talk about another pre-sale gem, and this is a Dogeverse. The world's first chain traveling Doge. This one raised over $13 million and launched a couple weeks back. This is really cool between staking and being multi-chain. So buy and trade Dogeverse on any of the following chains: ETH, BNB, Polygon, AVAX, Coinbase, Solana. Cosmos is a chain hopping Doge, featuring a ton of different articles, multi-bridge utility with a solid roadmap in place and great tokenomics. This is a project we cover a lot on this channel because we're bullish on this project. And also, when you look at the staking, guys, it's good. It's dynamic range staking, currently paying 86% APY, which is super solid. It's a great website. They build a massive community as well over on X. This project could go crazy this bull run, so you're not going to want to miss out. 11.8k followers, hasn't even launched yet. Post-launch, this could go absolutely ballistic. Load up your bag, linked in the description below. Next coin on this list is Dog with Hat, a very popular Solana based meme coin, currently trading at $2.60 with a $2.6 million market cap, means a top 41 cryptocurrency across the board. We can see at its all times, guys, we can see over here the market cap peaked at $4.7 billion at one point, and we imagine that this coin is going to rally during the bull market. In terms of price, guys, we can see we're down 40% on the month. On the week, we're down a whopping 14%. So there's a lot of gains to be made on this one. And again, this one doesn't need a lot of explaining, guys. It's one of the most popular meme coins on Solana, so it'd be great to load up while it's having a dip, because we know once the market clears up, this coin's gonna absolutely go to the moon. And the last coin on this list is also Solana coin, and that is Book of Meme. At one point, this was peaking at $1 billion market cap, which is absolutely insane. Within 48 hours, it got listed on Binance, and it's obviously still listed on Binance, meaning this is absolutely massive. This could be like the dogecoin for Solana, in the sense that one trading not even in pennies, and then one day maybe we see this trading at 17 cents, 18 cents. That means anyone who got in super early now is essentially getting ready to load up a crazy bag. So you're not going to want to miss this one. So about to break the 1 cent mark again. It had a crazy phenomenal run at launch, and it peaked around 2 cents ish. So we can only imagine this could potentially even go to $1. Book of Meme, absolutely massive, very, very big community. This one's absolutely insane. You definitely want to add it to your list. Now, that is my top 5 list, and obviously none of this is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence, but you let me know, how does this compare to yours? Did you comment your list down below? If not, make sure you do. And again, that wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.